Now we can see exercise 8.3 first question. Write the sample space for tossing 3 coins using tree diagram. Okay, 3 coins we are tossing. So we in the solution we have to write when we toss 3 coins. Inside the box also you have to write 3 coins. Okay, so in the first coin you will get head, tail. Am I correct? Then in the second coin also you will get the chance head, tail. Then in the third coin, no, in the second coin with the tail of the first coin you will get head, tail. Okay. Then third coin, this is the third coin. First coin head, second coin head. When you are tossing the third coin, may you get the head or tail. Okay, now first coin head, second coin tail, then third coin may you get head or tail. Like that, first coin tail, second coin head, the third coin may give head or tail. Like the last one, first coin tail, second coin tail, then third coin may give head or tail. Okay, so what are the possible outcomes? Sample space, how can we write? Head, head, head. Are you all understand? Head, head, head. Head, tail. No, head, head, tail. Okay, first you see again I am telling head, head, head. Head, head, tail. It's over. Okay, next head, tail, head, head, tail, tail. Okay, next third one, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail. Okay, then last tail, tail, head, tail, tail, tail. Okay, this all we can write in the sample space set. So S is equal to H, H, H. Next H, H, T. Next H, T, H. Next H, T, T. Next you can choose the tail from the first coin. Okay, now head from the first coin over. Now we can choose tail from the first coin. So tail, head, head. So T, H, H. Next again same tail, head, tail. Then tail from the first coin, tail from the second coin, then head or tail from both the last coin. So T, T, H. Then T, T, T. Okay, so these all are the possible outcomes. So that is a sample space H, 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 T. You cannot by heart this. By the tree diagram you understand and write. Okay, otherwise you have to think of and write. Don't by heart this answer. Are you all clear? Next one. Second question, write the sample space for selecting 2 balls from a bag containing 6 balls numbered 1 to 6. Okay, totally 6 balls in a bag. Now listen, I kept 6 balls, but the balls are not numbered, different colors. So you can understand. First I am choosing the red ball. Okay, that I kept it in my left hand. Then our choice is out of 6 balls, you have to choose 2 balls. Okay, then I am choosing the orange ball. Okay, so that is one of the chance, red and orange. Next, what is the chance? Red and yellow. Okay, next, what is the chance? Red, blue. Next, what is the chance? Red, green. Next, we have red and pink. Okay, so now in our question, number 1. Okay, 1, 1, 2. First ball when you are choosing, then first and second, first and third, then first and fourth, first fifth, first sixth. Okay, are you all clear? So how many chances? We can write now. So what are the possibilities you see? First number 1, with 1, first 1 there is only chance first. Okay, when you are choosing the 1, you cannot choose the 1 with this 1 again. Okay, then second ball 1 2. Okay, so this 1 we can choose the second ball. Then with the first ball you can choose the third ball. Am I correct? Then with the first ball you can choose the fourth ball. Okay, then with the first one, that means with the red, you can choose the fifth ball. Okay, then with the red ball, that is with the first one, you can choose the last ball, 6. Okay, so you are getting 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Are you all clear? Next, we can choose the second ball. It is orange color. Okay, with the second ball, we can choose with the second ball. So here you have to write 2. You can choose the first ball, that is red. Okay, then again you can't choose the second ball. It is already inside the basket. Okay, now I am taking the first. So with the second ball, you can choose the third ball. Okay, next with the second ball, you can choose the fourth ball. Next with the second ball you can choose the fifth ball. Then with the second ball you can choose the sixth ball. Are you all clear? So we are getting the possible outcomes 2 1, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Are you all clear? Next we are going to choose the third ball. Third ball is yellow color. So with this third ball we are going to choose what are the possibilities. Okay, so with this first ball. Okay, so 3 1. Next with this third ball we are going to put the second ball, 3 2. Okay, next again 3 3 is no chance. Okay, only 1 3 ball is third ball, only one ball is there. So again you cannot write 3 3. So you can write, you can choose the fourth ball, 3 4. Okay, next 3 5. Next 3 6. Okay, are you clear? Now like the same, can you say this for fourth one? 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, but you will not get 4 4. 4 5, 4 6. Okay, for 5 with the fifth ball, which are the possibilities? 4 1, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 will not get 5 6. Like that with the sixth ball, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5. Okay, we can write this all in the ordered pair form. You see here 1 2, this is 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay, so 1 2 it means red and orange. Okay, this is 1 2, first one 1 2. What about 2 1? That is also same. Okay, in this here you will get 2 1. So 1 2 and 2 1 are same. So in these two anyone you can choose. So I will not choose the 2 1. So 1 2 is enough. Both are the same possibilities. Okay, 1 2, 2 1. Both are same. So don't write the same possible outcomes again. So 2 1 you no need to write. Are you all clear? Like that 3 1. It will be same as 1 3. So this also no need. Then 4 1. Okay, again it is 1 4. Then 5 1. 5 1 we written again already. It is 1 5. So it is no need to write. Then 6 1. No need to write. Okay. Here what are the remaining ordered pairs? 2 3, 2 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Here also some repetition is there. We can see after writing all. Then here 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1 we written already. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now next 6, 1 we written. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5. First we using the first ball we cancelled some ordered pairs. Like that we can cancel the remaining also. 2, 3 is same as 3, 2. Okay, then 2, 4 is same as 4, 2. Then 2, 5 is same as 5, 2. 2, 6 is same as 6, 2. So this also no need. Next we can see from this third one. 3, 4 it is same as 4, 3. 3, 5 is same as 5, 3. 3, 6 is same as 6, 3. Okay. Next we have to see the 4, 5 it is same as 5, 4. Then 4, 6 is same as 6, 4. Okay. Next here 5, 6 is same as 6, 5. Understood? So which are the correct one? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 6. Only this much. Are you all clear? Don't write all. It means if you are writing, it is the same element you are writing repeatedly. But in the set, we will not write the same element repeatedly. Okay. Here, they did not give any other order. So, 1, 2 is same as 2, 1 in this question, not in all. In this question, first, second ball is same as second, first ball. Okay. So, be careful to write the sample space. So, which are the sample spaces are needed? Only that we have to write. Okay. Shall we write the sample space now? 1, 2. 1, 3, next 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, we can continue 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 6. Okay. Only this 15 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 rows. So only 15 elements are in the sample space. Are you all clear? Don't write the repeated elements. But this will not get in all the questions. I am repeatedly telling only in this. The reason is first ball and second ball are same. Okay. You see here. First ball, second ball. That is 1, 2. Again second ball, first ball. It is 2, 1. Both the collection is same. Okay. So you don't choose both again. Okay, only one chance is enough. Don't write that same chance again. That's only we cut some possible outcomes. Are you all clear?